And I'm directing each section 2 to 1, 3 to 2, 4 to 3, just so I get weight building up behind the ears. Now to control, if I want slightly more weight behind the ears, what I've explained so far is I lower my elevation. As I become horizontal, I will start to lower my elevation just behind the ear. That would just build up slightly more weight. If I turn that round for you guys, you can really sort of see the shape. Now, because the head's round, obviously working parallel, on a graduation, when the hair sits naturally, it's going to sit triangular. Okay? So I'm just carrying on. Each section just drifting back onto the last one. And now I'm going to start to work into a horizontal line. One of the things that I find very important with our education is the way that we use our combs and our tension. Because I think with hairdressers, you know, one thing you really have to understand when you're working with your classics is how to control your tension. You know, how hard you pull the hair. Do I pull the hair too much? Do I not use enough? I think in this particular, whenever I'm working with interior shapes, depending, you know, with this particular hair, it's not that curly, it's just got that little bit of movement. So I'm using the fine end of the comb. And the fine end of the comb is basically creating my tension for me. I'm not stretching the hair and putting too much pressure on the hair. That would be bad, because I risk the fact that I might get knuckle marks, or it might be uneven within each section. I allow the comb to do most of it and seal my fingers at the end to get a really clean line. So now I'm getting to that point now where the hairline's slightly weaker, so my elevation drops very slightly through this area. This is to control and leave slightly more weight in these areas.